Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can import aesthetic fonts on CapCut. So here, what you need to do is find the fonts that you want first. So I'm using this thefont.com to find the aesthetic fonts that I want. So for example, in here, I want this Diary Augustus font on my video. So you can just hit on download first for the fonts that you want, and the font will be downloaded, and you can find it on your files library. For example, this Diary August. So what you need to do next is just unzip the font, and after that you can open your projects on CapCut, and here click on text, add text, and just write the text first. For example, I'm going to just write aesthetic fonts. Now what you need to do is click on this add font button, and here click on the plus icon, and then just find the font that you've downloaded before. So let's click on download this one, Diary Augustus. Click on the font. The font has been uploaded, and you can just click on the font to use it. Click on the check icon, and now the static fonts has been imported or added into your CapCut. And that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.